welcome to Miss Davison's 5th grade science class. Today we are going to be learning about lab safety procedures that we will be using every single day when we perform a lab or activity in the classroom. I'm going to start by showing you this fun video, so make sure to watch closely and turn your listening ears. I'm going to press play. Okay, I'm going to pause it right here because I want you guys to practice this part. So whenever you're smelling a chemical, you do not want to smell it directly because you could burn your nostrils or anything can happen. So I want you guys to practice wafting. Can you guys do this with me? Very good. Okay, I'm going to turn the video down. Okay, so now that you guys have seen the video, can anybody tell me one thing that you learned from the video?
Don't use broken glass.
Very good.
Never, ever, ever, ever use broken glass.
That's right. You never, ever, ever use broken glass. So lab safety procedures are very important because we want to prevent injury or illness in the classroom. So there can be many dangerous situations that you can come across in the lab. So I want to go over these and make sure that you guys know what to do in case of a situation like this. So in the lab this year, you are going to be working with chemicals, fire, and electrical equipment. These things can be very dangerous when not used properly or if an accident happens. So, for example, let's say you have a beaker filled with a mysterious liquid chemical substance and an accident occurs, somebody knocks it over and it spills. Can anybody tell me what you think the first thing you should do in this situation is? Yes?
To let the teacher know.
You are absolutely right. The first thing you want to do in this situation is to let the teacher know. I never want you guys to try to clean it up by yourself because you could get the chemicals on yourself. Actually, can anybody tell me why you think it is important to let the teacher know first? Yes?
Because if you touch the chemical, you can burn yourself and you get another person that could be messed up as well.
Absolutely right. So if you touch these chemicals, you could burn your skin, they could get in your eyes. Lots of bad things could happen. You could cut yourself on the broken glass. Anything can happen. So you're absolutely right. There are also many safety equipment located around the classroom that I'm going to show you guys now. So if there is a fire, say there's a fire, there is a fire hydrant located right over here. Can you guys point right over there? All right, where's the fire hydrant?
Over there.
It's right over there, right. So in case of a fire, what are you gonna do?
We're gonna let you know what's happened and then go for the fire extinguisher.
Absolutely right. I'm glad that you said that you are going to let the teacher know first. Always let the teacher know first in any situation, and then we will go from there. So there's the fire hydrant. Next, we also have an eye wash station or shower station. It is located right here. Can everybody point right here? Great job. Where's the station? Great job. All right, so this is used whenever you get chemicals on your skin or in your eyes. In case of this happening, always let the teacher know again. And to use this, you are going to pull the handle for the shower and rinse your skin off for 20 minutes. If you get it in your eyes, you're going to put your eyes in front of the two nozzles, turn the water on, and let the water rinse out your eyes for 20 minutes as well. I will let you know when you need to use this, if you need to use it at all. That's why you always need to let me know first. So when you're performing these labs, you should always wear personal protective equipment or PPE. Every day when you come into my classroom, I want you guys to walk in the door, say walk in, get your lab coat, put it on. There will be crates for your goggles and your gloves. Put on your goggles, put on your gloves, walk quietly to your seat, sit down and wait for instructions, okay? So I want you guys to get up and practice this for me, please. Alright, very good guys. So now after that you guys have practiced that, can anybody tell me what the PPE consists of and why it's important to wear it when you perform the lab?
The PPE consists of your goggles, your lab coat, and your gloves, and it helps to not burn your skin, your eyes, or any other kind of clothing or yourself.
You're absolutely right. You need to wear the personal protective equipment so that you don't get anything on your skin and it helps protect you better. This consists of, you're correct, the goggles, the lab coat, the gloves, and it also consists of closed-toed shoes. I'm going to need you guys to come into my classroom wearing closed-toed shoes every single day. I'm going to be keeping track of this through a shoe log that I'm going to be keeping in your lab safety folders. So you can look over it right now. You see in your logs. Great job. All right, so I'm going to be keeping track of when you come in wearing them and when you come in not wearing closed-toed shoes. And this will be counted as a participation grade because if you do not wear closed-toed shoes, you cannot participate in the labs. Okay, and moving on. Okay, so we're almost out of time, but before we go, I do need you guys to sign a lab safety contract. This is just to read over and make sure that you guys know all of the rules and the safety procedures that you need to follow when going through a lab. Here's your lab safety contracts right now. So I want you guys to read them over and sign them. Alright, now that you guys have those signed, the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to do an exit ticket. This exit ticket is going to include a 5 short question quiz, and it's just to assess your knowledge and to let me know like where you guys are at. Don't worry, it's not for a grade, just to know where you guys are at. So here you guys go, your exit tickets. Alright, so if you guys are done with your quiz, then I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you next time.